Let's go to Jerry in Apopka. Jerry, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Great show, Tom. I try to tune in every week.
Thank you, Jerry.
Here is my dilemma. I hold a second mortgage. The first mortgage holder has obtained a final judgment of foreclosure.
Got it.
It has not yet been set for a date and time of electric sale. Has not yet been set.
Got it.
His claim is approximately $350,000. I am holding a $60,000 second mortgage.
And how much is
the property in the neighborhood? It's an enclosed community of 30 units.
All right.
Generally sells for in excess of $400,000.
Okay.
There are a couple of other claims against the property, the homeowners association, et cetera.
Gotcha.
My question is, can I file in the event it sells on the courthouse steps for in excess of the $350,000? Can I file the appropriate papers with the court myself, or do I need to hire an attorney?
I think that you need to at least get the advice of an attorney on how to do it, Jerry. But here's so the other listeners understand. If the first mortgage holder has now a judgment of $350,000 and it goes for sale on the courthouse steps, it will not sell for less than $350,000. But let's just say there are people there bidding and they end up bidding $400,000. Well, the first mortgage lender would get their entire $350,000. The other $50,000 would go into the court registry and would be available to pay other lien holders against that property. And you're next in line, Jerry. That's the good news. All right. So as far as the legal process for you to make claim to that excess money, I think it is all relatively simple. I've just never done it before. So, Jerry, you might meet with an attorney, and they might say, Jerry, here's a couple of forms, fill them out, go do it yourself. Or they might say, Jerry, it's a little bit complex. We want to make sure we get it done right so there's no chance of you losing that money. Jerry, the good news is Colonel Erthy is the attorney at my office that does mortgage foreclosures and foreclosure defense, and I would invite you to call Colonel at his office next week and pursue that with him if you want to. But step number one is to see how the mortgage foreclosure sale goes, Jerry. But beyond that, if you need some help, call Colonel Erthy at my office at 407-423-5561.